Ooh, it's a glorious day out here. A glorious day for CJ's first cooking show. The cheese, the bread, the chicken, the Fritos.
The Frito Bandito has returned.
Frito Bandito has returned. He is back, but with all new clothing.
Yeah.
A whole new attire.
A new look, if you will. And he's looking good.
Guys, I don't know if you ever saw this one, but like what, 8 months ago, something like that?
Too long.
Way too long ago, Frito Bandito revealed himself to the world in a very beautiful way. I happen to be the ambassador of that Bandito, and it was such a success and it was so delicious. I thought I would make another one today, but today it's gonna be different. Today we're gonna be doing a spicy barbecue chicken Frito Bandito sandwich. What do you think about that, Nate? Let's get into it. Oh yeah, this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
Muchas gracias.
And we quote.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first cooking show.
In 5, 4, 3.
Okay, welcome to Wayne's World. Party on, Garth.
Pretty on, Wayne. Guys, like I said before, we're doing a Frito Bandito style sandwich.
Yeah.
And along with the delicious Fritos, we're gonna change it up from a burger to a chicken sandwich. So let's get to seasoning our chicken.
So are we in agreement that Frito Bandito is basically just the addition? That was brand new 5 seconds ago. Did you?
Yes, it was.
Why did you eat all the chips, CJ?
You guys, I'm not joking.
Like, these are meant for the episode.
He and I ate half the bag before we started because these are the best chips.
They're so good.
Is there any way I can...
Once it touches your lips,
It's so good. Once it hits your lips, it's so good.
Is there any way I can brand friend with Frito?
I don't know. Ask him. Ready? Let's
Hey.
have a moment. Can we have a moment?
Call me.
Fritos.
We love you.
We really love chili cheese.
Chili cheese Fritos. You're my only friend.
Abba Zabba. You my only friend.
Hey, let's get to seasoning real quick,
Sure.
Mr. Shenanigizer. So we've got our chicken cutlets. Today, guys, I use chicken cutlets all the time. I've said this before, and I will say it again. Man, I love being a turtle.
I've said it before, and I'll say it again. Man, I love being a turtle.
No?
Maybe, but only mostly maybe.
Wise men say forgiveness is divine?
There you go, follow up.
Wise man say forgiveness is divine, but never pay full price for late pizza.
A follow up.
Follow up. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna add some olive oil to our chicken cutlets. We use these you are kidding me.
Yeah! Woo!
It's the first legitimate one in a long time. Allow me.
Boom, ba-doo, ba-doo, ba-boom, boom, 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 ba-doo, 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 ba-boom, ba-doo, ba-doo.
Just mind your own business.
Are
you really gonna follow me? Oh, hi, Chels.
Oh, hey.
Chels, mind your own business. I hope you trip. Chels, thanks for acknowledging the walk of shame. Last one on the stage is the loser.
Whoa!
Wow, that's a big waste of time on the video.
Masterfully done. But you know, people have been saying in the comments our videos are way too short, so.
Oh, we just need to lengthen this bad boy out. You know what? We probably need a moment of silence for those individuals at home to really take in what we're doing today. Let's do this.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. So we are going to season our chicken cutlets
Ooh, show me that.
with a little bit.
Goodness, I know
of
it's
this
been hard to
flavor,
find,
love.
but it's on its way out.
It is
nationwide.
It's a difficult one. So basically what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna coat our cutlets with some olive oil, and then we are going to give them a generous coating of this amazing Blackstone cheese steak seasoning. And then we are gonna head over to the griddle top and start cooking. Got my griddle set to a nice medium high.
We're gonna go take a little slower.
Yeah, we're gonna do a little slow on this. I know I already did some olive oil on my chicken, but in coating it with all this seasoning, we've got a nice crust of seasoning, so I wanted to make sure I've got good contact.
Crust of seasoning.
A seasoned crust. A crusty crab, I don't know.
Crusty crab.
A crusty crab, that's right.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
You know what we haven't? You read my mind.
I'm here for you.
Thank you, buddy. We've got some delicious toppings aside from the obvious chili cheese Fritos. Hey Frito, call me. Let's get together. We'll do lunch.
That's 2.
I'll make you some porge de bourge.
Oh, look, honey. There's the hors d'oeuvres.
We've got a green bell pepper, we've got a yellow onion, we've got some banana peppers, and of course our cheese, which that is gonna be magical. So let's just go ahead and get started with our green bell pepper. You want to?
You gonna use the trick I showed you?
I am gonna use that trick as a matter of fact.
It's a good trick.
Maybe I showed you. Did you ever think of that?
Yeah, and no.
No, of course not.
Got
So
nothing.
basically what we're gonna do is we're cutting off the top and the bottom, so we have this nice flat section. Then we've got these little bell pepper canals, as I like to call them. We're gonna drop our knife through there, and then we just give this a nice roll. And this is going to allow us to get rid of our pith and our seeds in one fell swoop.
Fill,
There-
swoop, accomplished.
Look at that, buddy.
Looking like a pro.
I know it, right? So we're gonna get rid of these guys over here, and then let's give this a nice julienne,
Julien.
and we are set, my friend. Now you could cut these up into smaller little itty bitty baby bites, but for this sandwich, I just kind of wanted these
Itty bitty baby bite?
itty bitty baby bites. For this sandwich, I wanted to get kind of the longer, thin
Yeah.
julienne. Also, these are delicious.
Well, you just munching on the grindage.
Let's chow down here and munch on some grinding.
Now, I guess we could have used a red or a yellow or an orange bell pepper, but I don't know, just chicken, onion, and a green bell pepper sounds pretty perfect. And it's gonna just be fun color. What do you think? Is it gonna be nice color? Can be happy little green bell peppers?
Let's paint several little happy trees.
Slide those out of the way. Cool, now we're gonna go ahead and get our yellow onion, and we're gonna get them basically into the similar cut, similar size. These are gonna caramelize really well on the griddle top and go perfectly with our chicken.
They're gonna go the distance.
He's going the distance. He's going full speed. He's all alone in a time of need. Because he's racing and facing and plotting the. So this, I'm gonna do real nice thin slices here because
Yeah, just like your peppers. You
yeah,
said
just like
that.
my bell peppers. And these.
I know, Dad. You told us.
Oh snatch! That was a good one.
I want to see you two girls up in my office.
Yeah, Dad, you told us.
That was obscure. You know what? I'm gonna ring for that one.
Yeah?
'Cause,
It was a good
dude,
one.
that was a good one. You don't
Thank you.
always call those obscure ones out. So I'm gonna finish this off, and then we are going to add these to our griddle top. All right, guys, let's go ahead and flip our chicken right before I toss our bell peppers and our onions. Oh, look at that crispy cheese steak crust going on that chicken.
No, you didn't. No. Behind you. There's 2. You're good.
Whoa,
Whoa.
that was close.
Whoa, that was close.
So we're gonna give this a nice toss in that olive oil, let that kind of coat, and we'll break up those onions as we go. Now this, I don't wanna cook like till it turns into mush. I still want it to have a little bit of bite so that we have that texture on our sandwich. So this is honestly not gonna take too long. By the time this chicken is done,
We're basically there.
we're basically there, man. While that's cooking, I've got one last ingredient we're gonna do. This is not gonna be cooked. It's going to be added with our cheese. Well, you're gonna see what's gonna happen. You're gonna see, but right now we do need to slice this up. So I'm gonna slice up this jalapeno. Gonna get some nice thin slices. And look, there we go, we're done.
Bob's your uncle.
Bob's your uncle, we're done. Let's check on our chicken.
Let's do that. It's looking good.
Oh, dude, this is
Great
looking
color.
really fantastic.
That cheesesteak seasoning and the consistency of it, it's almost like a powder, and it gives a really
Yeah, and
great
we've done
color.
this before on. Pardon me. Pardon me for being rude. It was not me. It was my food. It popped up just to say hello, and now it's gone back down below.
Pardon me for being rude. It was not me. It was my food. It just popped up to say hello, and now it's gone back down below.
You nailed the whole thing.
There we go. So I'm gonna get. See, dude, are you seeing this color that we're getting
Oh, yeah.
here?
We probably don't want much more than
No,
that.
I'm
do
gonna.
we?
I'm gonna slide it off
All right.
because I want to keep that nice crunch and that bite to the bell pepper. So I'm gonna get that on a cool side over here. Let that hang out. How do you feel about our chicken? I don't have a good chicken gauge. You've got like this built-in scent, like you know how moms back over here. Come over here. You know how moms can like look at you and they just put their like hand to your forehead and they can tell if you have a fever.
Yeah.
I don't have that built in yet. Well,
You
because
want
I'm
me
not
to
a
tell
mom.
you if you have a fever?
But with chicken. Does my chicken have a fever? I've got a fever.
It needs like 30 more seconds.
And the only prescription is more cowbell.
I got a fever. And the only prescription is more cowbell.
You're close enough because we're actually one more step, right?
Yeah, we got one more step. We're gonna
Yeah, we'll
cut
be
it
good.
up.
Let's
We're
do
gonna
it.
cut it up and then incorporate it. So let's go and be done. Okay, dude, our chicken, I think, what do you think?
I think it looks
Well, I know what you
glorious.
think. I was talking to Ethan.
Oh, man.
Ethan, what do you think?
Pretty nice.
Is it pretty nice?
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Well, if Ethan says it's good to go, it's good for me. You just keep doing your job. Now, come back over here, guy.
Oh, we have a treat.
We do have a really delicious treat. So, Cosmo Q sent me some goods here a couple months back. I've been using their wing dust, and it's phenomenal. Today, I thought, why not incorporate some Cosmo Q barbecue sauce?
Now, there's a decent amount of sugar in there.
Yep.
It
And
could burn.
It could, but we're also gonna add some beer. Dude, the flavor bomb that is about to erupt.
There's the flavor.
There's the flavor!
There's the flavor.
You know, the beer is twofold. It gives you a bigger window to reduce the barbecue sauce evenly, and it also adds a new dynamic of flavor.
That's exactly what I was gonna say. You literally stole the words right out of my
Right out of
mouth.
my mouth. That's a different story altogether.
story altogether.
That's a different story altogether.
Let's bring our bell peppers back over here. Yes. Should we? I mean, we might. This is at least 2 sandwiches. We're not gonna go through all this chicken. In fact, I'm gonna turn that off
Heat
because
off.
that's plenty. That is plenty warm at the moment.
Oh, you left one on, but on high heat. But you know.
Where? Oh, jeez. Thanks, buddy.
Blue, you're my boy!
Okay, I'm notorious for burning stuff. Mind your business.
Mind your business.
Q's, Buster, and remember who you're dealing with.
Oh, good one.
And you just mind your P's and Q's, Buster, and remember who you're dealing with.
Basically, all of our ingredients are done. We're now on to our last fluffy bit of love.
A fluffy bit of
A
love.
fluffy bit of love. Martins, bro. They're potato rolls.
Martins for the win.
They're hoagies. Guys, you gotta get on. Hey, Martins,
And how many people? You have a
I've got an extensive list of people to
Fritos,
dial
Martins,
up today. Yep,
Cosmo.
it's all in my Palm Pilot, and I'm gonna refer to it later.
It's in your BlackBerry?
My Blackberry, strawberry.
Strawberry. Blueberry.
So I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil because we're gonna get a slight toast
A little toast.
on our. Oh, that looks really hot.
It's gonna be a quick little toast.
It's gonna be a really quick toast. I'm not even gonna leave. I'm going to literally mind my P's and Q's and get a nice toast on this bread. Okay, I'm gonna give it 60 seconds. My bread is done.
Yes, it is.
Listen. Let's start separating our
couple of
piles of goods here. Okay. This is a lot of chicken. That is way too much chicken
I
for.
don't think so. That looks like perfect
no.
for 2.
No
Look at
way.
those. Look at those Martins rolls. That's perfect amount of chicken for 2.
All right, we'll see. We'll
Load
see.
it. Load it.
I'm gonna set some aside.
Why?
Why
are you
because
doing
I'm
this?
bringing bell peppers and onions and the You forgot about the Bandito showing up.
They're not going to take up.
They are. Yep. Well, this is my show, so you can get right over it. Okay. So now we're gonna get some onions and bell peppers. Now we're creating these stacks. If I didn't actually adequately make that statement, we're gonna stack on our ingredients because we're gonna assemble this kind of like a cheesesteak, right? We're gonna grab some banana peppers.
Yep.
And some jalapenos. These are not cooked, so you're gonna have some fun crunch with that, and that's gonna be a really good consistency with those bell peppers and onions.
A bit of heat.
A little bit of heat with it though,
A little
too.
bit of crunch.
And then we've got some, I love the vinegar flavor of some banana
All right,
peppers.
a little bite, little acidity.
Yes, I love it. Okay, boys.
Okay, so.
No.
What?
Now, here's the thing. You could crush this up. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna maintain Frito integrity.
I feel like Shaun and Shaun of the Dead trying to chew quietly. Look.
I want to get out there and do more interesting stuff. I want to live a little. I want you to want.
Bro, what kind of cheese do we have here today?
Provolone.
We got some provolone, and we want
Whoa.
this sucker cheesy.
3 pieces?
Yeah. Look at
Dang.
that. Look at that.
Okay.
I am going to. Oh man, this side wasn't very hot. I'm gonna need a second here.
Should be hot enough.
Well, let's.
Are you
I'm not.
fighting? Fire it up.
Fire it up! Fire it! Ooh, that's a good one.
Fire it up! Fire it up!
So I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna utilize some of this heat over here. And I'm going to steam.
Oh, wow, pro moves.
I'm gonna utilize that steam over there.
Pro moves there.
So let's, like 3 minutes.
I'll see you in 3.
See you in 3. Ring that bell.
Okay. Cheers, good buddy.
Cheers. Reveal time.
Reveal
time. All right, here we go. Here we go, boys. Ooh. Oh, yes. 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 Now, just like a cheesesteak,
yep,
we are going to cover with our bread.
I like it. You could add more sauce if you wanted.
We could. So we got a little bit of extra sauce there. Okay, so
right. Flip moves.
I'm gonna bring back in my. I'm a little nervous about this. I'm a little nervous about this.
I believe in you.
I believe in you,
I
Peter. Can fly. Ooh.
There you are, Peter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there you are, Peter.
Yeah. Oh, whoa.
Oh,
whoa. Man, that barbecue sauce caramelized so nicely.
Yes, it did.
Wow.
Let's take this back over, boys.
You know what it could have used? A lot more chicken.
No. This is 100% an adequate amount of chicken, and you know it.
It is. I'm teasing you. That's sandwich girth.
Okay.
Whoa.
You know, just to make this a full bandito situation.
Yeah.
Maybe I should crumble up some Fritos on top.
Are you gonna
post
crush dust?
Yes, a post crush dust of the chili cheese Fritos.
Oh.
Boys.
You maniac.
So we're gonna get that crunch at the bottom, get the crunch at the top, and
wow.
Go ahead and say it. Just say it, guys.
What?
I'm a genius.
I wasn't gonna say that.
You should say it.
You're so smart.
You're a genius.
Thank you. All right, fellas. Did you hear the crunch? Can you see the crunch? Can I taste the crunch? Can we just do that?
Could you technically taste crunch? It's more of a texture.
Well,
but what do I know?
You don't know the Frito Bandito, that's for sure. Hold on, before I get in again,
more
look at that.
More importantly, the Frito Bandito knows you.
That's good. I need a t-shirt that says that. All right, here we go, boys.
The sun's coming through, and I feel like it says,
Alrighty then.
Whoa.
I did it. I finally did it.
What did you do?
I created perfection.
It's your opus.
Perfect.
It's your opus.
This is my 5th symphony.
Take it easy there, Mr. Holland.
Guys, this is so good. The crunch from the Fritos is awesome. The chicken marinated and cooked, not marinated, cooked in that barbecue sauce.
Whoa.
Incredible. Bell peppers, onions, the banana peppers.
A little
bit of that vinegar tart bite is incredible.
How hot were those peppers?
The jalapenos were very mild.
Is this kosher?
Because
where's my focus? Oh, there you are, you naughty.
You're naughty.
Oh, my little naughty fat, you're naughty.
Guys,
well done, sir.
That is how we do it. I'm gonna ring this to take us out. For this recipe and more, go to blackstoneproducts.com. Be sure to check out our Teespring site. We've got a bunch of fun stuff on there. New stuff coming out, dude.
Yep.
Let us know in the comments below what shirt you'd like to see.
Yeah.
What stickers
Let's
you'd like to see.
come up with one together. Like the
CJ
like you and
fans
out there? No, like everyone that loves your show, because there's a lot of people that don't.
That is very true. Guys, leave us comments. Let us know what you'd like to see in that Teespring site. Let me know what you'd like me to cook.
Don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell.
Dude, go click the bell. Just like it, subscribe, get the notification, because you don't want to miss this. You never know when the Bandito is going to show back up.
Never know. He's a wily cat.
He's a sneaky one, and delicious.
Well done.
Thanks for watching. This is CJ's First Cooking Show, where we cook.
And we quote.
Yes, we do. We'll see you in the next episode. Hopefully. Please watch my stuff.